Hello, and welcome to Wumble's Hive. Are you any more ready for Christmas? It's the 18th already, and I feel like I'm not even close. But, getting the obvious, important things done, it's Archie's countdown to Christmas. So, the coal does seem to have some small little glitters in it, but it does seem to be mostly a very opaque black, which is pretty awesome. There is definitely some tiny glitters in there, but I do think that's quite a useful colour, to be fair. I think it's the first black that we've had out of Archie. So let's see what colour number 18 is. It's called Wrappers. Oh, it's the first one I turned over. That's exciting. I love it when that happens. Well, what colour do you guys think Wrappers is? It's purple on the outside with candy cane sticker. Can't peel it. Here we go. Righty. Oh, I bent it a little bit in my excitement. Right, here we go. What colour do we think it is? I'm gonna go with a gold colour. I'm wrong, it's purple. Oh, it's a lovely purple too, like a lilac colour. Kind of looks like it's got some silver shimmer in there. So let's get it wet and see if it's true. Oh, it might have blue shimmer now that I've seen it a bit further away. Ooh, this is exciting. Let's get this activated. I can see the little blue, but it seems to be very stuck in the paint. I'm giving it a little bit more of a scrub because I want to make sure that comes out. Because purple and turquoise is possibly one of my favourite combinations. So if that's what this is, could be onto a winner. And it's definitely got blue glitter in it. I can see it in the water. Right, I think we might have activated that one. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Oh, if somebody wrapped my presents in this, I'd be really happy. Oh, wow. I'm willing to bet that you guys can actually see the shine in this one, because it's actually quite big particles of glitter. So I'm going to smoosh them about a bit, make sure they're all over. Right. So I'm going to turn it about a bit. I feel like you can see the blue in that. So it's a beautiful lilac shade with blue glitter. And that is stunning. That might be taking on Nordic, but we'll have to wait and see how it dries. Let's not get previous. So until tomorrow, guys, let me know what you think in the comments section. Leave a like if you're enjoying this series. And until tomorrow, find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.